In front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and today I would like to show you how you can change its theme. Firstly, just open settings and click on personalization settings right away. Now select themes at the top and tap on the best one for you. I will go with first heart. Lastly, hit apply, tap on home button and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. To go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings, tap on Android and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!